Hey guys, Axiomatic Uncertainty here. I haven't uploaded in a while, but I've been sort of busy with schoolwork, so I'm going to keep going with these calculus videos. Now today we're going to be doing something more advanced than before, because we covered some more simple topics. So today our problem will be the derivative of log base x of 3. Okay, so this is a challenging one compared to the previous problems in that you have a dynamic exponent, which would be x. So let me just, you have x as your base right here. So anyhow, how are we going to do this? Well, we have to simplify. So first, we're going to start out with, oopsies, sorry about that. It's been a while since I tried to write in Paint. There we go. So, we have a base x, but we'll just substitute for a base a for simplification purposes, because I like having a. And let's have another. So it's going to be log base a of b. And from here, we can get that, or no, let's just set this equal to c. Okay. So, log base a of b equals some value c. Now, we don't know any of these variables, but it doesn't really matter what they are, because we can then rewrite this as b equals a to the c, right? That's the way exponents work in relation to logarithms. It's basically the definition of what a logarithm is. So, yeah, we have this now. And from here, we can introduce a new value. So, let's say we wanted the base to be some value d, so a constant d. So, const d. So, we have a constant value d that we're looking for. Now, in order to introduce d, we can make the base on the other side the d value, right? So let's just say b equals d to the what? Well, if we want the base to be d and it was originally a, let's just write our c up here because we already had that. C times what value? Well, if we take the logarithm, if we take the logarithm of base d of a, well then this equals, so this, right, is equal to a, if you combine that. So, that's basically where a went. So essentially, the way you can picture this is that you can then write this as a equals d to the to this value here. So essentially, d to some value x, like y, I guess, and essentially, d to the y is equal to a. That's what this is. This is y. So that is literally defined as being whatever value is needed to make this one to this power equal to a. So it still is a to the c, as you can see, I hope, from that explanation. Now, from there, we can take the logarithm again, and we get log base d this time of b equals c log d of a. Okay, whoops, I'll just rewrite the a there. Okay, so as you can see, that is what we get from this. So we get then, by taking the logarithm, this value. And now, since we wanted to know c this whole time, that's what this one was, we can divide. and that gives us another value. So we have the C here, so we divide, and we get this. So this one's equal to C, and to get C on this side, we just have to divide by this. So we have the 2 over top of each other. So log D of B divided by log D of A, right? Or log base D of A equals, oopsies, there we go, log base A of B. Log base A of B. Right? There we go. So that is our new equation here. So we've just proved this equation, or just derived this equation here. You've probably seen this before, but in case you hadn't, I just wanted to show it in this video because obviously most of this mathematical work we're doing here is all from scratch. Because I think that purer form of mathematics is better and it's more ideal. It feels better as well. Doing it that way, it's much nicer to solve things from that perspective. So, now that we got that out of the way, that explanation, that's a bit long-winded, we can see that our base is x. Now here, our base is a, and as you can see, a is on the bottom. So, just draw out our line, and our denominator is going to be, d, so it's going to be d by dx. D by dx, and then the base is log, there we go, and then it's going to be base d, so we have to choose a base now. I'm going to choose e for simplicity, so that's just going to be ln of x in this case, because x was our base. And then on top, we have the other one, so that's also going to be an ln, because our base is the same on both, so ln of 3. Oops. Whoa. Okay, there we go. Right? So, we're going to take the derivative of this. Now, we don't need to write out all these steps. A lot of this can be done mentally, so here is the process we're going to go through. So first, we're going to use the quotient rule on this, obviously. And so we'll just have ln of 3 times whatever our answer is. And I'll do this one in a different color than that, because, I don't know, it just seems right to separate them a bit so you can see it more clearly. So you have ln of 3. So natural logarithm of 3 times derivative of 1 over ln x. And so to do the quotient rule, you do the derivative of the top times the derivative of the bottom, which is 0, because 1 times ln, or derivative of 1 is 0. And then minus derivative of the bottom, which is 1 over x. So 1 over x times 1. So it's just going to be 1 over x in the top, and then this one down here is just going to be squared. So, if you have 1 over x over ln x squared, you'll just have 1 over x ln squared x. And I will close these brackets. And that is going to be almost it. Now the last thing that needs to be done is, and to do this, I will just grab this. I will just erase a little bit of this stuff here because it's taking a bit more space than it needs to. There we go. Okay, that didn't work. Okay. This isn't working as I thought it would. Let me see if I can just grab a square. Okay, that didn't work either. How do I change the fill color? There we go. That'll work. Okay, wrong color. Black, right? No, black. So the fill is a solid color of black. Whatever. Just do that. And then grab this thing and just color it in. Okay, there we go. So now that that's all gone, we can just write our answer, right? Okay, no, that, okay. Sorry about this. I'm not very good at using paint. I don't use it enough to be great at it. So, if we just simplify this, we have natural logarithm of 3 divided by x times ln, or natural logarithm of x all squared. So, natural logarithm of 3 divided by that, and let's just circle this. So, as you can see, this is the derivative of this function. So, I'll just draw a line there. Yeah, that is the answer. So, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading very much. I am planning on doing a series on my work on neural networks. You know, I'm working on a neural network a little bit on the side right now. So once that has made some progress, I will upload some videos about that as I have with previous projects. And you'll be seeing more from me soon. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. That's going to be it for me. See you guys. Bye.